So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length red colored hair. Oh, she decided to switch it up with this colored pixie. Looks like she ended up getting some bangs in the front as well. Nice tapered nape in the back area. Such a chic and fun style. I love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some short hair transformations. Here we have someone who decided to go with a platinum hair trend. Beautiful pixie haircut, kind of has a bit of a spiky texture to it. Very nice, and this is a great style to add some volume to your hair. Then we see someone with salt and pepper hair here. Now, I've talked about this before in some previous videos, but a lot of women are embracing their gray hair this season. And I've been noticing this a lot. She ended up getting this gorgeous curly pixie tapered style to really accent her natural grays. But I think that this movement of embracing your gray hair is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact that women are embracing their gray strands. So next up, we have someone styling their pixie. Looks like she's doing the upward motion, creating more of like that pompadour mohawk inspired style. Very cool and chic. And we have another pixie here. Oh, she decided to go pink. Very nice. Oh, this is such a pretty, this is like bubblegum pink. Like Barbie pink. Pink, pink, pink. Love it. Very cool style. I love when people can have fun with their hair and just do something that you don't see every day. It's so inspiring. And then we do see a nice effortless mid-length cut. Beautiful waves mixed in, creating a soft tousled effect. And then we see someone else with the salt and pepper hair. It looks like she's getting a cleanup of her pixie style. I really like the overall shape that this has. The hair is kind of slick to the back, tapered nape. Beautiful. It really makes her cheekbones pop as well. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with a pixie length haircut. Looks like she might have a grown out pixie and she's back for a touch up. And bam, beautiful shorter pixie style. And this hairstyle also offers up a lot of versatility. She can play around with the styling, the placement of the hair. And then we move on to someone who has a shoulder length hair. And she decided to switch it up with this pixie hairstyle. Beautiful, nice, traditional pixie haircut. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video and you were able to gain some major hair inspiration. If you were, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.